Tired of dates where she's stuck in a boring loop, thinking I only attract X type, or all relationships end up Y? Don't waste time arguing facts. You need to shift her frame, guide her perspective subtly. Think of it as leading a conversational dance that makes you the catalyst for a more exciting reality. Here's the tactical breakdown. Step 1. Crack the status quo. Challenge denial. First move. Disrupt her comfortable bubble, but indirectly. She's probably not even aware she's limiting herself. Don't call her out. That triggers defenses. Instead, inject narratives that challenge her default settings. Example. Casually drop a story about someone who totally broke the mold, maybe a friend who ditched a safe career for a passion project and thrived. Crazy how following the sensible path isn't always the smartest move, right? Plant the seed. There are other ways to operate. This positions you as someone aware of broader possibilities. Step 2. Spark playful friction. Disrupt with anger. Time to introduce some light, confident challenging. The goal isn't real anger, it's playful debate that creates sparks and shows you're not a pushover. Challenge the safe or predictable. Example. If she talks about always dating the same type, you might tease, "Isn't that like ordering vanilla ice cream every single time?" Safe, sure, but where's the adventure? Delivered with a smirk, it challenges her pattern playfully and shows you value exploration. It signals your confidence to question norms. Attractive. Step 3. Unveil possibilities. Introduce bargaining. Once there's more energy, open the door to new ways of thinking or acting. Frame different as exciting, not scary. Use your experiences as proof. Example. Share a quick story where you stepped outside your comfort zone and it paid off big time. Took a spontaneous weekend trip last month, zero plans, ended up being epic. Funny how the best stuff happens when you ditch the script. Then pivot. Makes you wonder what other cool stuff we miss by sticking to the usual, huh? You're associating yourself with adventure and positive outcomes from breaking routine. Step 4. Inject relatable depth. Touch on depression. Now, add a layer of emotional intelligence. Briefly touch upon the cost of playing it too safe. The potential for missed opportunities. Frame it with vulnerability, not negativity. Example. Casually mention, "I used to be rigid about my plans, then realized I might be letting cool experiences or even interesting people slip by just because it wasn't the plan." It's a balance, finding that sweet spot between stability and seizing the moment. This shows you've reflected on life's trade-offs, adds depth, and subtly reinforces the value of openness. Step 5. Paint the future. Lead to acceptance. Guide the vibe towards possibility and excitement. Associate yourself with that forward-thinking, adventurous outlook. Make the new perspective seem appealing and achievable. Example. Imagine actually doing some of that spontaneous stuff though, like ditching the usual Saturday brunch for exploring that weird art installation across town, or trying that cuisine we were just talking about. Could be a disaster, could be amazing. That's the fun part, right? You're painting a picture of a more engaging life, implicitly inviting her to see you as the gateway to it. The bottom line, you're not brainwashing her. You're leading a conversational journey that showcases your dynamic worldview. By subtly guiding her through these shifts, you achieve several things. Builds connection. She sees you get the comfort zone, but represents something more exciting. Demonstrates value. You reveal confidence, depth, and an adventurous spirit. Core attractive traits. Creates intrigue. You position yourself as someone who can open up new possibilities. Stop trying to logically argue someone out of a limiting belief. Instead, guide the feeling, lead the vibe. Make your perspective the more compelling, attractive reality. That's how you shift her frame and build powerful attraction simultaneously.